Welcome to a quick demo of the official B2Brain app for Salesforce. To install the app, head to the App Exchange and look for B2Brain, or you can go to appex.b2brain.com. This will take you directly to the Salesforce Sales App Exchange page. From here, either install it yourself or ask your Salesforce admin to install the app for you. Make sure to go through the installation and customization guide given, which will give you step-by-step information on how to install and configure the B2Brain app to be used. The B2Brain Salesforce app brings you all the powers of B2Brain right within Salesforce for you. This is available as a widget on Salesforce. Let's see how that looks like. Once you've reached Salesforce, the B2Brain widget, if you've configured it so, would be available on any account page or any lead or contact page. For this user, I've configured it to be available only on the account page and contact pages. On the account page, the B2Brain dashboard or the B2Brain widget shows the intels which are available to you. This will show all intels for the account which you're viewing. From here, you can see the source, you can see the intels, as well as all the associated leads. To import any lead directly into Salesforce, just hit a lead. So let's say I go to Nick Boyle, hit on import to Salesforce. Once that's done, the button would change to view on Salesforce, and if I click on that, we will see that that particular lead from B2Brain, the B2Brain Salesforce widget allows you to track or untrack accounts from right within Salesforce. So for example, let's say I want to stop tracking Sitecore. I can just go to Sitecore and change its tracking status from yes to a no. If I was on an account which I've not previously tracking, let's say there is a new account. When I'm on an account which has not previously been tracked, B2Brain will prompt me to start tracking the account. Once you start tracking an account, the intels for that account as well as leads will be available shortly. You can also view all your notifications of intels or leads or highlights which you have missed. Just click the bell icon and it will show you one by one all the intels which are available to you which you have not yet seen.